Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kakenhun juga Spautulik Autonomous District Council nakathan chete lamingi jongkari kinya kendu menta kejanmiet ke arflai terik menaitung arja afsau yau menteri ketrat kampo yengari u Amit Shah hanong ba Delhi man kentu bo untuk larlang man pendam no ya kejing Pynbeit Thymmai ke Khyrnit Hynriew jongkari tisensha jongkari India hak dorbar liur kebelayat mentah ya kani garai la shim hak jingalang jong borok Chief Executive Member jong Spautulik Autonomous District Council kabakentup ya laingot CM na Meghalaya laingot na Mizoram laingot na Assam bat uway na Tripura hak jingalang kabalalong hanong ba Delhi hak ni kasngi baar habai keren chigla pathai khubor u CM ke KHADC u ba penya sing CM ulong dakwe gasur ngila railang ban kentu bat kerpat ban wan rano ya kejing Pynbeit Thymmai ka Khyrnit Hynriew bat ru ban menjuraka hak ni dorbar liur kabayat mentah.
The main purpose that we discuss and deliberate was regarding the 125th Constitutional Amendment. And we know that Parliament session is going on since Monday, since yesterday in Delhi. And we feel that this is the right time for us to knock the door of the central government. And with all in one mind and one voice, all the ADCs, we have approached the Ministry of Home Affairs, and fortunately, the Honorable Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah ji, has invited us today. In fact, today evening, and in that meeting, we had we had decided that we'll meet Home Minister today from the group forum. And lastly, we had also decided that the new convener of this forum, of all the ADCs from Northeast, they have unanimously entrusted and elected the CM of KHDC to lead this forum from now on. So whatever statement has to be made in future, so I'll be the person whom the forum has entrusted me to share with all the media friends. Actually, the Ministry of Home Affairs has proposed that the increase of seat for KHDC should be up to 40 seats, which include 5 nominated. That means now we have 29 elected members and 1 nominated. Where in this new proposal, we will have 29 plus 6 elected, it will be 35, and we propose from our side another 2 nominated, which one of that will be based on gender quota. That means 1 for women seat for nominated. So it will be a total of 37 seats for KHDC. Number 3, where direct funding, funding is concerned, we have mentioned that under Article 280, all ADCs should be included. So that will not have problem in future for the administration or day-to-day work in the council or day-to-day administration of the council. So, and number 4, we have also proposed that there will be no village council, and instead of that, the village Dorbarshno, the right and the aim will prevail or will continue, because this is our practice. So these are few points that we have mentioned and asked the government of India to look into from KHDC point of view. And from all the other different councils, they have in fact different proposal respectively from from all the respective states. Like in Assam, they have the Bodo Territorial Council, BTC, and they have the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and they have the Dima Hasao District Council. And also in Mizoram, they have the Lai District Council, the Chakma District Council, and the Mara District Council. And here in Meghalaya, we have the Khasi Hills District Council, the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and the Jenti Hills Autonomous District Council. And in Tripura, there's only one, that is the Tripura Territorial Council. So I want to be very clear that we all the 10 ADCs from Northeast, we are united and will be in one voice, one mind, and one spirit that will continue to fight till we get this amendment table in the floor of the parliament. Actually, for us, there's no harm to meet the Honorable Union Home Minister, because after meeting him, it will be very clear what is to go forward. So even though if we can't, they can't table 6th schedule amendment in this ongoing session, but at least there should be some assurance or any commitment from the government of India that in the coming session they might table. So that will be good enough for us, and we'll wait for that. Mr. Chairman, our chairman, Mr. Lamprangla, but gone today morning, and also Pak Titos Karwal Khan, who's the LO, and our EM, Pak Fantin Lakadong, and Mr. Balaji Rani, member from Nagpur. These 4 members from the KHDC will attend this meeting.